What's up, girly pies? It's your favorite girly pie, Miss Santana, and today we're back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be on how I achieved this hair look that I'm wearing right now. I colored and crimped it, so it's gonna be some double C's going on. I got like this Beyoncé honey honey thing going on. It's like a Beyoncé honey blonde. I went and I crimped it with this crimper here. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this look, so if you're interested in how I did this, then just keep watching. This hair was sent to me by Tinashe Hair, and they sent me a 13x4 straight HD lace wig, 24 inches. 24 inches, 13x4 for lace front wig, and 200 density. I hope so. It's black right now. It's just plain and black. Lace is really impressive though. I'm like a dog. We're gonna take it from this plain old black wig to something special. So as you can see, I already have my station set up over here. This is a very nice and quick setup. All I did was literally take 2 trash bags and tape them down to the counter. So that way, when it's time to clean up, all you gotta do is pick up the trash bag and throw it away. What you'll need is a mixing bowl. We're gonna use this Blondor bleach 20 developer, the Wella color charm specifically. Why? Because we're gonna be using these 2 colors. Fun fact, I was at Sally's and I literally randomly just thought about putting these 2 together and seeing how it works. I don't know. I'm gonna use 8N/811 for this light blonde. And then I'm gonna use T10 for this pale blonde. And then I'm gonna go in with this ginger blonde 10.01. We're gonna be using these 3 colors together for the ultimate, I don't know. Let's just see how this turns out at the end. These chemicals are not playing with anybody. I almost passed out. Yep, true story. I'm gonna be putting on a face mask. Ow! All right. Oh, and then you're also going to need gloves because that bleach on your fingers, it's not a game. So you have your mixing bowl for our Blondor coloring, our 20 developer. We're gonna need like a brush for the bleach and then a comb to comb everything through. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing my bleaching mix. That really just consists of me putting in a couple of scoops of the powder and then mixing it with the 20 developer. And as you're mixing it, you wanna make sure that you get it to like a middle consistency. You don't want it to be too watery, but you don't want it to be too thick either. So you just want to make sure that it is a creamy texture like this. Not too watery, but not too thick. Alrighty, let's get to it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start applying the bleach onto the hair piece by piece. It doesn't have to be picture perfect. I'm just literally going so crazy with it. Just make sure that every piece of hair is getting touched by bleach. So once you're finished completely bleaching the wig, I found that bleaching goes harder whenever you wrap it in foil. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it in foil. Once you do that, you wanna let the hair sit for 25 minutes.
25 minutes later.
OMG! Oh, wow. Crazy it lifted. This is, mind you, this is after one bleach using 20 developer. Go off camera and rinse, and then I'm gonna come back and we are going to re-bleach once again. Went and towel blotted it and it's like damp kind of. So hopefully this all still works out in the end. But yeah, it's definitely like a honey brown, but like that's not what I'm looking for.
So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and bleach it again just so I can get a lighter color. And it's just like the first time, go ahead and do it piece by piece once again. Of course, we're going to be wrapping our hair burrito in foil once again, but this time we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, we unwrap it and it's much lighter. So we're going to go ahead and rinse it out and get ready for phase 2, which is the toning process.
The hard part is over. Now we can finally have some fun.
So as stated previously, we're going to be using this 10.01, this AN811, and then T10, all 3 different types of toners and dyes. So whenever you're mixing the toners, basically you're going to do 1 part toner and then 2 part developer. And what that basically means is that you empty out the toner and then fill the toner bottle up with developer 2 times, 20 developer. It sounds confusing, just look at what I'm doing. I have the 2 compartmented mixing bowl. So basically I'm just doing one side on one color and then the other side on the other color. And then I'm just gonna end up mixing them up together later. Almost forgot, before you apply anything, make sure that you spray your lace with some got-to-be glue. This is going to prevent the toner from seeping onto your lace and like basically staining it, because toner turns like purplish whenever it starts getting crunk. If you're not careful, you can get that purple onto your lace and it's really hard to get out. So now I'm just preparing the box dye, but I'm not going to use it quite yet. I'm just getting it ready and putting it on standby. Now I'm mixing both of the toner colors together just by sloshing them back and forth, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it onto the hair. Unlike the bleaching process, you really don't have to be as clean and precise with this because it's just really runny and loose, so you can really just slap it onto the wig. It's gonna end up everywhere as long as you comb it through. Now we're ready to throw on the box dye. I literally just sizzled it on there like ketchup on a hot dog. Like I said, you can really just get sloppy with this. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you're smothering it all over the place and then like combing it through. Now we're just gonna let the hair sit for 45 minutes.
After 45 minutes, the hair is finally ready. I am so excited to see the final product. I don't know, you guys. Maybe I just have to rinse it out because I don't know what I was expecting, but this was just not it. Oh no! I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out. Let's just see what happens. This is really nice. Definitely like the honey blonde. We gotta go in with our ISO Plus, a dime size amount. It's gonna neutralize and tone the hair. this sit for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. I bleached his hair twice. So I'm about to go in with the silicone mix and let it sit for 45 minutes to an hour.
I'm really big on silicone mix, especially after I bleach the hair. Whenever you bleach the hair, you're basically putting lots of chemicals in the hair, causing it to get a little crunchy crunch, because you know, we literally bleached this hair twice. Silicone mix will deep condition this hair back to life. Trust me on that. Once you finish applying the silicone mix, you want to let it sit in your hair for 45 minutes and then proceed to rinse it out. And now it's time to style. Now I'm going to show you guys how I put crimps in my hair. It is super easy. It's literally my first time ever using a crimping iron, and I ate that. It's super easy. I'm just going to show you guys real quick. Now, don't be fooled by this time lapse. It looks like it's super fast and just super smooth. It's not. Crimping is very time consuming. I had to speed this up because it literally took me forever. So whenever you're doing this crimping process, make sure you set some time to the side. You get the picture. This is the finished product. I can't wait for you guys to see how it looks on my head once I finally install. I'm really excited about this lace. Look how clear this lace is. It's literally blending in with the mannequin head. Time to install.
So it's really giving Goldilocks. It's giving Goldilocks from the Three Bears. I already came in and I ate the porridge, and now I'm just doing my hair type thing. Not the original color that I wanted it to be. Like, y'all saw what happened. I literally bleached the hair twice and then added all that dye and toner, and it just still came out as this basic brown. So I tried to crimp it to see if we could add some crisp to it. We're gonna go in with some fondant on the lace. Estee Lauder.
From there, I'm just jumping right into the install, starting off with my Ghost Bond glue upon the hairline. Guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Watch me install this wig.
looks crazy right now, but it looks really crazy right now actually, but trust me, everything is all going to come together like it always does. I'm going to wrap my hair now so the edges can just lay flat. I'm gonna go off camera to do my hair and makeup, and I'll be back with a complete finished put together look. That is it. That is how I took you guys from basic black to loud Beyoncé. This is definitely giving Beyoncé all on this nigga. You know, like I got the whole Crimps in, I got the honey blonde. Like this is a lot, and it's super easy, guys. If I could do it, anyone can do it, because I seriously can't even do hair. Wake up, learn how to do your own hair. So I'm trying. I really am. I'm trying here, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I showed you guys how to take your hair from basic old black to like nice and Beyonce brown with crimps. And that was my first time ever working with a crimping iron. I think I'm going to be doing this more often. The only thing is that it's really time consuming. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I post a video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta, girly pies.